Good morning, cousins. Good morning. I am dragging my feet. Ooh, them drinks at Diamond Crab kicked my you-know-what. Shout out to the owner. Y'all know when a girl see a drink, she never knows how to take one. So I'm paying for it, and I paid for it all day yesterday. That's why I didn't edit anything, and I'm sorry. But I had to go ahead and get up because my baby mattress was delivered this morning. Thanks, babe. So that part is all done, and I'm actually loving how it's coming together. I just need his nightstand, his TV, and his lamp, and I think we're going to be all set. Okay, guys, so it's about 9:30, and I'm about to go run some errands. We're going to get dinner, diapers, and I think that's it. So let's go. Okay, first stop, Tarjay. Let's see what they got for us. Okay, so we did stay on task. I just got one thing that was not on the list, and that's not bad. So let's head to the next store. And Safeway really had one job that they could not complete. I don't even know why I came here. I'm really like a giant girl, and I do Aldi. Okay, guys, so I'm out of here because they don't have no string beans, and that was the main focus. So we're gotta go to Giant. Oh, Giant, here we go. But let's go. We know they got what we need. Okay, because I'm not sure what Safeway was on this morning, but I found the string beans. So what's on tonight's menu is string beans, meatloaf, and mashed potatoes. And this is what lets me know I'm getting old. Me getting up early in the morning and really getting out to the grocery store to get dinner. And we ain't even ate. It's not even lunchtime yet. I like this for me. And that is the morning of a mom. Thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one.